Welcome to today's tutorial, where we're making adorable Easter-themed table napkins using Wonderfil's 40wt Rayon threads from our Harmony theme packs. Today, we're using colorways Easter Bunny and Easter Eggs to complete our project. We'll be stitching two festive designs on a napkin, a cute chick with flowers and hearts, and a colorful Easter egg. We're using Wonderfil's 40wt Rayon threads, which have a beautifully soft and silky finish. This thread is perfect for more decorative embroidery projects like our napkins, adding a luxurious sheen and drapeability. Plus, it's color fast, so your designs will stay vibrant even after multiple delicate washes. These threads are versatile and work beautifully for all types of decorative stitching for embroidery, quilting, thread painting, and more. And the best part? They run smoothly at speeds up to 1,000 stitches per minute, making them perfect for both domestic and long arm machines. To give our napkins extra strength and structure, we'll be using Wonderfil's Lace Maid and Total Support. These products help reduce puckering and ensure the designs stay crisp, even through the delicate fabric of our napkins. Using Lace Maid in your embroidery projects is simple. Just cut a length that fits your embroidery hoop it as usual with the Lace Maid on the back of the fabric, and embroider away. If your design features a high stitch count or uses finer thread, consider doubling up your Lace Maid for extra stability. When you're done, rinse your project in room temperature water and watch the Lace Maid disappear. No residue left behind. This product is great for fine or sheer fabrics since it completely rinses out. Then we have Total Support, which provides exceptional stabilization for even the most intricate embroidery designs. It eliminates any differential movement, preventing puckering and ensuring a smooth finish. It tears away with ease and leaves a lovely crisp result. Now it's time to prepare our design. Today we'll be stitching a cute Easter chick with flowers and hearts, paired with a fun Easter egg. The designs come directly from FAF Creative Icon 2, which makes it easy to load up and start stitching. The Creative Icon 2 also features a projector to preview designs directly on the fabric, ensuring precise placement for every stitch. With everything set up, we're ready to let the embroidery machine work its magic. Watch as the 40wt Rayon thread stitches out the adorable chick design, adding vibrant colors and fine details. Next, we'll stitch the colorful Easter egg design. Notice how smoothly the threads run, thanks to the high-quality Wonderfil threads and stabilizers. Look at these beautiful designs! These festive rayon threads really make the colors pop, and the Lace Maid and Total Support have ensured everything stays perfectly in place. Once the designs are finished, simply remove the stabilizer and you're ready to use these adorable Easter-themed napkins for your table setting, gifts, or any Easter celebration. Thanks for watching! These Easter Bunny and Easter Egg designs are the perfect way to add a personal touch to your Easter table, and with Wonderfil products, you'll achieve stunning results every time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun embroidery tutorials. Happy stitching!
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase Wonderfil threads from in your country.